Bagayecho, rele dumedisa lerato le kagiso. Peace and love to all who walk with the sun today. Ramasedi is watching, not with judgment, but with light. Let's speak the truth together. They said to us, God is a man, a white man, a father, a judge, a punisher. But what if God is not a man? What if God is not even a person? What if God is love itself? Modimo lerato, not as a metaphor, but as a truth. God is not hiding in the clouds. God is in action, in the vibration of love. And if that's true, then wherever love is, God is. And if you act with love, then you are God in that moment. Let's be honest, my people. We don't just want sex or a partner or status. We are looking for love from someone, somewhere. From our parents, from our lovers, from our pastors, our children. But many of us are abused because of this hunger for love. We stay in broken places. We serve fake gods. Why? Because we are scared that if we stop chasing, we'll never find God. But the Bible you fear to question says, the kingdom of God is within you. So where is love? In you. In Setswana, we don't say Kea Gorata all day. We show it through bread, through presence, through actions. Moto ke moto kabato. You are called human by those who treat you human. Love is not a line. Love is labor. It's carrying water for your neighbor. It's planting a tree you won't eat from. It's teaching your child the truth, even when it breaks your voice. When the world turned to machines, when Europe turned to war, when the West sold love for lust and money, Africa still had Botho. Africa still had Ramasedi. Africa still had land, hands, and people. But now, even Africa is shaking. The love is fading. If war takes Africa, if greed swallows the soil, and love will lose its last home, then God will become a stranger. So we say again, Africa is love. Not just because we're black, but because our ways were always love in motion. Modimo Nnete, not of flags, not of fear, Modimo lerato, o dulang moteng karona. Help us not to look outside for love, but to recognize it when we act in kindness, when we choose the hard truth, when we feed the hungry without recording it. May we become the love we seek. May we remember, God is love, Africa is love, we are love, and may our actions prove it. Re ale boga, Ramasedio ale belela.